Hi guys, welcome to today's video, and today I'm making Caribbean curry with potatoes. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients. They are going to be based on a serving for 4 people. I will be using more ingredients than what I state at the beginning because I'm cooking for more than 4. So right, here's what you will need. 500 grams or 1 pound of diced beef, 3 large potatoes. Well, these aren't very big anyway, so I'm using that many. I'm not sure how much is there in weight. 1 large chopped onion, again that's not very big, so I'm adding another one in with that. 3 garlic cloves. I haven't got any garlic cloves left, so I'm using the lazy garlic. 1 tablespoon of curry powder. I'm just using a medium one today. 1 teaspoon of ground allspice. I'm going to use a cup of beef stock and 1 can of coconut milk, and then just a little bit of oil and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And to do this recipe you are going to need a pan with a lid, so I'm using the Dutch oven today, but a normal pan with a lid should be fine. Right, let's crack on. So into a pan add about 2 tablespoons of oil. And what we're going to do is brown the meat off first. I'm going to cook mine in batches with doing a bit extra. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to the beef while we're browning as well. And with the first lot. Use a bit of black pepper. A bit of salt. We don't need to cook this completely, it's just to brown them. And that's how I'm going to do mine in batches. Right, that's my first lot off. I'm going to take that out, put it on a plate, add the second lot in, brown that off, add that to a plate. Right, using the same pan, we're going to put in the onions. And the chopped garlic. And we're going to saute these until they go a translucent colour. Right, next step is adding the curry powder and the ground allspice. Mix that in and cook that for about another 2 minutes or so. Now we're going to add the beef back in. And add the beef stock. Give that a bit of a mix. Add the potatoes. And the coconut milk. Right, what we need to do now is bring this up to a boil. Right, now it's started to boil. I'm going to reduce the temperature down to low. And I'm going to cover this and simmer for 45 minutes. Right, it's been 45 minutes. Let's take that off. Smells divine. Right, let's put some in a bowl. Oh, it's like doing a taste tester. So yep, the taters are done. They are nice and soft. Oh, that's delicious. Oh, full of flavour. Right, the beef. The beef is nice and tender. If you find your beef is not quite tender enough, you can just leave it going a little bit longer. And finally, let's try some of the sauce. Right. Oh, that's lovely. So creamy. Mmm. Very yummy indeed. God, I dripped some on my t-shirt. So, a nice, simple, tasty curry with just a few ingredients. Give it a whirl. Let me know what you think. Would you add something to it? You know, let me know. Drop a comment below. And if you could leave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing, really appreciate it. And until next time, love you, bye.